Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Rome, Italy. Actually, I'm at Fiumicino Airport and I'm renting this little white car. And so I'm going to show you what I do just to protect yourself and make sure you're okay. Let's take a look. Bye-bye. Okay, here's my trusty steed. It's a little Mitsubishi something or other. And 9 times out of 10, they give you a sheet like this. So I'm renting from Sicily Car. And so they give you a sheet like this. And so you mark up all the things that are a problem. And so like this is a problem, and I'm using this phone because it allows me to videotape and take pictures. So usually what I'll do is I'll come through and I'll point and click, and the wheels are really big too. So like if you, because it'll do scratches on the wheels, you know what I mean? And you really, I'm gonna say this and you're gonna think I'm strange, you really want a car that has things like this. You know what I mean? That's all scratched up and dented up and dinged up, because that means that the chances of you getting in trouble or having to pay extra for a car, like, so you can see this one's dented. And so I mark this thing up to no end. You know what I mean? I mean, look at, they even hit the the building with the car, and so you want to identify everything 10 times over. Huh? No, I think I'm okay. Grazie. How come? Because again, I've been in places where I've rented cars before, and they have come back and said, well, that wasn't there before, and they've tried to charge me like $1,200. You know, and so the more things you can find, the better off you are of them not, you know, trying to rip you off or take advantage of you or what have you. I mean, like this road rash, I mean, you don't want to hit a curb, but obviously somebody did, and obviously they hit something here, because can you see the gap, how it's big here and small here? That means this front bumper's been in an accident. And so again, you are just trying to keep yourself as safe as possible. And then inside, it's the same thing. You really want to look at everything, the head area, the dash, I mean, everything you possibly can, so that you don't have a problem later. Again, most places are pretty honest about it, and they don't really, you know, they're not out to get you. But some places really are, and it's the small ones that are kind of, you know. See, there's a scratch up on there too. You can barely see it. Anyway, so let me go through and finish looking at this car. And then I'm going to mark up that sheet and show you what that looks like, and then we can go from there. Okay, I'll be back. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, I'm done with my sheet, and so you can see, like, they have marks here that show this little scratch, which is a little scratch, so they call that a 1. And that little scratch, it looks like, is this thing here, maybe. I guess that's a little scratch. But I mark up, I mean, everything that I see. Every wheel you should mark up too, just because, I mean, they're problems. And again, you don't want to come back and have them say something else. And then I usually make a note. Lots of scratches, big and small, with dents, very used car. And again, it's just a matter of trying to make sure that you're protected. And again, you know, when there's gaps that are big and they go to small, that's usually a problem, or it's been in an accident or a problem or what have you. And so just things to keep in mind, you know, if doors don't work. I mean, so that's horrendous. That's a dent and scratches all the way across. So anyway, and I didn't see anything really bad inside, so I think I'm okay that way. So that's it. Renting a car can be pretty stressful, and you know, you just try to do everything you can to give yourself a peace of mind. So, okay, everybody. Well, that's my rental tips for the day. So anyway, Okay, we're off to the races, everybody. My little steed. Bye. Okay, and one more thing I usually try to do is I go get an attendant and I have them sign this. That way she came over and she looked at this stuff and then she signs the thing. And again, it's just a way of having that peace of mind. So just be safe. You know, that's really all it comes down to. And 9 times out of 10, again, you don't have a problem. Sometimes you have a problem and you certainly don't want to be caught with your pants down. Bye, everybody. Okay, one more thing I do, just so that I can mention it and maybe nobody even thinks about it. See the holes? What are they for? They're obviously for the headrests. But when you look through your rearview mirror and you've only got this little piece of glass and this big headrest is in the way, I take them all out. I remove all the headrests so that I get the best vision possible. I mean, that's all you have is what you can see pretty much. And so I just throw them in the trunk. And so I took out all 3 headrests and you can see that, I mean, if you add up all that space, I mean, you're losing a fairly big chunk of space. And it's just me. I don't need a headrest back there. So anyway, just another rule of the road. It's a trick to understand. That's it. So now I get the whole window to myself. Okay, bye everybody.